Very nice. This helicopter is indestructible, man. Oh! Oh! The helicopter said, sorry, I don't want to get up this time. This was bad. I am hurt. So, I want to land it inverted. Hold on. And hit the disarm. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, alishanmao here. Let's give another flight to K110S while I'm outdoors enjoying my little bit of flight testing of Mini 3D RC helicopters, K110S, and you know, the FW200 sitting right there. I just flew that FW200 for 21 minutes 36 seconds on 11.1 volt battery. How cool is that, right? That video is on my channel as well, but hey, let's enjoy the flight of K110. Whip it straight from the beginning. Yeah. Flying with the Radiomaster TX16S. You don't want to fly this helicopter in normal mode. Oh, you want to crash it like that? Okay. Well, let's not. Flight mode normal. Get up. Yeah, get up, helicopter. I don't want to go there. I'm lazy. So that was the first crash right after a few seconds of takeoff. Still flying. I mean, I had one flight where I tried to fly 3D with music, and I can tell you I suck at 3D with music. And I had some crashes, nice crashes on that flight as well.
5 minutes.
But hey man, this helicopter keeps on flying and keeps on doing 3D. I mean, what else you need? Look at that. I'm practicing some new moves today. Yeah, too close to the ground, too close. I'm trying to turn it into a tail inverted, closer to the ground. One of my helicopter blade is almost destroyed on its corners. But that's the fun of XK K110, that it just keeps flying. It doesn't break. Honestly speaking, I had really more bad crashes today, but it's still flying and doing all the ugly 3D that I'm throwing at it. Oh, hello. Hello ground, that's what the blades said. Those are some ugly side TikToks, and then another hello to the ground. It's so strange. The Emax battery that I have in this one, 450 milliamp, is dying very soon. I mean, dying earlier than the original full Emax battery it came with. Oh, that was bad, man. That was bad. The helicopter said, sorry, I don't want to get up this time. This was bad. I am hurt. I'm hurt. So, okay, just get up, man. Stop complaining and start flying. Look at that. That's what you are, K110S. Crashes are not gonna stop you from anything. So yes, my fully max battery that it came with actually gives me much more flight time compared to this little Emax battery. Okay, I had a gyro glitch just now. It wasn't listening to my inputs to turn around, I mean flip back, but eventually it did actually. So to say, maybe something did improve in the gyro, I don't know. It does give you much more stable 3D performance. So I want to land it inverted. Hold on. Here we go. Here we go. Control it, my man. And hit the disarm button.
Disarmed. Flight mode
Nice,
performance.
nice, very nice. This helicopter is indestructible, man. Definitely. Look at that, still doing 3D. Let's check the gear. Hold on. Ooh, no damage at the gear. They did improve the gear on this helicopter this time, man. Last time I was able to chip the gear, but this time, no problems at all.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?